Hi everyone! Recently, this rice paper noodle dish has become really popular in Korea. I saw it and thought I really want to try making that. So I gave it a shot and it turned out even more delicious than I expected. Today, I'm so excited to share it with you. Let's make it together. First, soak 3 pieces of rice paper in water. Soak just until soften, about 10 seconds. If you don't have square ones, round ones work just as well. Once they are softened, stack the 3 pieces together and cut them into wide strips using scissors. You can also use a knife if you prefer. Cutting after soaking is much easier than trying to cut dry rice paper. Once you've cut them, leave the noodles soak in water while we prepare the sauce. They will turn chewy in no time. Slice 1 green onion. Making the sauce. Heat about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium heat. Next, add 2 tablespoons of chopped green onions. Grate 2 cloves of garlic. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1.5 tablespoon of oyster sauce or soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Pour hot oil into the ingredients and mix well. Pour the sauce ingredients into the oil all at once and mix quickly for the best flavor. This is a secret sauce that's totally addictive. Drain the noodles well using a strainer. Place them in a bowl and pour the sauce generously over the top. If you have a cilantro or parsley, sprinkle a little on top for a fresh finish. Doesn't it look mouth-watering already? Gently toss everything so the noodles are evenly coated with that rich, spicy, nutty flavor. It tastes just like a restaurant-quality noodle dish, or even better. Alright, time for a taste test. Can you believe these are made from rice paper? The chewy texture and the spicy nutty sauce are absolutely perfect. Wow, this is so good. You really have to try it yourself. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button. It really supports the channel. For more delicious recipes, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.